Adzviser. Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Gu and I'm the founder of Adzviser. We've just added a new option to our Google Sheets add-on that makes working with your reports a lot more flexible, I believe. So previously, if you were pulling data with our Google Sheets add-on, a new tab will be created and your data will be residing there. But now you can actually choose your data to be inserted at that very specific spot that you choose, very specific area. So this is great if you're updating a dashboard, filling in a summary table, or if you just want things to land where exactly you need them without messing up any layout. So I will walk you through how exactly to do so and show you what it is going on. Okay, so let's launch our Google Sheets add-on. The option that I was talking about resides right here. Insert to a specific cell. But right now, for the purpose of this demo, let's not turn it on because I want to show you before and after sort of comparison. Okay, so we have selected Facebook ads as our data source. And let's do reach and then spend. Okay, and for the breakdowns, let's do age. All right. Okay, let's get data to table. And you will see that, hey, a new tab is created right here named Facebook Ads Demo. Demo is the workspace name that we have created within the Adzviser ecosystem. So you can see that, hey, this is the data that is pulled from Adzviser and it's being written to a new tab. However, say I want to change that behavior and then insert data to a very specific cell. Can I do that? You previously couldn't, but now you can. C8, say we want to insert data to C8, okay, cell C8. We turn on the option insert data to specific cell, and you can see that, hey, a new line of text is shown right underneath get data table button. And you can see that, hey, this is where the data will be landed, right? Okay, let's do it. Get data to table. Let's try it one more time. And you should be able to see it right here. The data has been inserted just right at cell C8. And here we go. This is the new option that we're offering to our marketers with our Google Sheets add-on. So I hope you will find this new feature and video helpful. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Adzviser.